The other hindrance is dullness, feeling unclear, hazy, and somewhat absent-minded. During this time, it is helpful to splash water on your face, expel the stale breath and raise your gaze, straighten up, and so forth. These will help dispel any dullness. In this context of dullness, there is a type of calm that the tradition calls stagnant shamatha. One feels free of thoughts, but not very clear, in other words, absent-minded. This kind of daydreaming calm is not the real practice and should not be cultivated. Actually, it can be a severe mistake. One should not only be calm, but also clear. There should be some bright presence of mind. So it is important to brighten yourself up while being calm and steady, to have some presence that is relaxed and clear, lucid and at ease.